WSE Energy's UniWave 200 has reached another milestone after recently being connected to the grid on King Island. The unit will soon be generating electricity into this grid. Once this occurs, it will be a world first for renewable energy technologies, making King Island the only remote grid to integrate and generate complementary power from 3 renewable energy sources: wave, wind and solar. This is just the start of what's to come. WSE is dedicated to maintaining its proactive approach to wave energy technology and is focused on providing clean energy through environmentally sustainable means. Project Bluefire is our comprehensive enhancement program, dedicated to refining the current technology and developing and implementing additional benefits for both the wave energy sector and the environment as a whole. Annually, more than 11 million metric tons of plastic waste makes its way into the ocean. By 2040, it is estimated that this could be as high as 29 million tons. Major global initiatives are urgently needed now to reduce plastic waste. Project Bluefire is looking to harvest waste plastic that pollutes the oceans and recycle into an engineered polymer textile to be used in the construction of units, resulting in a non-corrosive, long-lasting renewable energy product that generates clean energy from the ocean. This is only one component of Project Bluefire, but it is central to WSE's mindset as a company. WSE Energy. Sustainable electricity from the ocean.